There are two more questions I want to ask. We're about out of time. But this person said, how do you manifest the health you once had or would like using spiritual principles?
I am aging. We're all aging, right? And I can't do the things I used to do when I was in my 20s. In my 20s, I was a dancer in New York City, right? And a Broadway performer. So I don't do that anymore, but I do many things with my body. So I think it's a both and. I manifest vibrant health. So my body is working as best as it can right now. And yeah, I could do better. So I need to make that a priority. So one of the priorities I have is to get back to the gym, get back to a regular system of exercise. So that's a goal. And if I share that goal with someone like I'm sharing with it right now, and they hold me accountable to it, then I might actually do that and get the health that I desire and my goal to be more vibrant, more alive, more awake for my family, for my kids, so I can keep up with my 7-year-old, so I can keep up, right, with my 10-year-old and go on bike rides with them and chase them around the yard and all those things. So I may not be like I was once before, but I can be the best I can be right now. And so, yeah, that's how you do it. You take these steps, you make it your goal, and then
Okay,
you're,
you heard accountability. So when
yes.
y'all come to Unity Village for Ken's retreat in September, just ask him, been going to the gym?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna have to do that now. You got me.
You have to now.
Uh-huh.
And then John asks, can the book and workbook be purchased through Unity? I'm so glad you asked. Yes, of course they can. The book and workbook are also on Amazon. The book itself is on Kindle, and this is the opportunity to say this book is on Audible. And it's so fun to listen to it because it's just like being in a room with Ken talking to you about prosperity and abundance and his life and what he's learned. So if you're into audiobooks, this is an especially good one. Did you have fun making the audiobook?
Had a blast making it. Sit right here at this desk in this room and read the book and out loud. And I have to tell you what I was most surprised about was the section about my daughter Roma's birth and the whole journey through that. I cried through the whole reading of it.
Oh, wow.
And and I when I listened to it, I could hear that I was all emotional and choked up, and they kept it. We did a couple different takes of it, but they kept that one where I was crying all through it. And it's my story, and I wrote it, yet reading it out loud was
Hmm.
so moving. And then I'm honored to share it with you all. And if you're into Audible books, I am. I love commuting with Audible. That
Oh.
I invite you to purchase the Audible book.
And that story of Roma is so amazing. Just spoiler alert, another couple had a baby for them, just out of the goodness of their heart. Ken, thank you so much for being here. This has been a lot of fun. And I hope all of you will go find the book for yourselves. You can look for links in the chat box. You can buy them separately or together. It's a little cheaper if you buy them together. So, Ken, thank you again for being here. And thanks to
Thank you,
all of you
Ellen.
for being here. And we will see you again. Good night.
Good night, everybody.